try the second one.
Abdullah, it's time for Quran.
Oh, okay, let me just do the second shot.
Okay, let's see.
Whoa, that hit everybody.
That was good. But you have Quran class to do.
No, but don't I have to clean it up?
I'll do that. You have a Quran class to teach.
Okay. So you guys also leave your fun and get ready for the Quran class. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum, read al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 24a on reading practice, 50% Quranic words. So the 220 words in this series of lessons 24a to 24g occur in the Quran 40,000 times, which is basically 50% of the Quran. That is a lot. Now let's take a few of them in this lesson and practice reading them as fluently as possible. So the first one is Allah. Repeat after me twice. Allahu, Allahu, Allahu. Alladhina, Alladhina, Alladhina. إذا 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 إلا 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 إلى 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 إن 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 أن ثم 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 على 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 في قال 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 كان 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 لا 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 لم 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 لهم 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 ما 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 من 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 هم 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 هو 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 يا يا يا. Wow! Those were easy and simple words. Next lesson, I will bring you more words to practice. You guys need a break. So stay tuned. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.